Londolozi's Pioneer Camp is a tribute to the authentic conservation safari pioneers. It's a celebration of the willingness to commit to the unknown, to adventure into wild places. When you walk into Pioneer Camp, you're surrounded by 500-year-old ebony trees. Pioneer Camp's 3 luxury suites and generous bush homestead is the culmination of 5 decades of design experience in the safari industry. Pioneer Camp carries all the elements of 35 years of bushveld living. Clean lines, simple moments, it's timeless. A classic elegance with a touch of crystal. A real sense of history pervades the camp, with thoughtfully restored memorabilia, photographs, leather, and a bespoke, one-of-a-kind wallpaper that lines the safari bar, telling stories of times gone by. The gardens reflect generations of Vati women who have worked with nature to create indigenous and meditative spaces. Pioneer Camp is the ideal romantic setting for a new generation of sophisticated traveller in search of something unstructured, a wild kind of freedom, and yet supported by experiential luxury. Surrounded by 6 million acres of wildlands, Pioneer Camp has got to be one of the best safari homes out there.
Wamkeleka kutatsamala